Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another live US session. Today is Tuesday, and we are seeing a very interesting week. I think it's gonna develop some nice movement. So about news this week, we don't have much. We're gonna just watch tomorrow about the employment claims, and I will share the screen and I will share my view. Okay, that's what we have this week. Basically, just watch tomorrow and also on Friday as well. So let's see what we can some setups for this week. As I told on Friday, I was watching the dollar index to hold the level 101.80, and what we see yesterday, we just hit the level, and today we see a little, the price is pushing higher, which I want to go short on euro and pound, but some things didn't happen, which was, let me get the IG chart. There was some setup, but I didn't follow my plan, because that's what I want to see. So I want the price to stay below the weekly pivot, and I was lagging this bar, but this bar I want to was under the weekly pivot to go short. So the movement is already up and now, and I'm watching closer the dollar, what it's gonna do now, because if you can see, is approaching this level here, which is around 103, which I can see potential reversal from there. So I'm a little bit concerned at the moment, so I'm not gonna chase the trade anymore. Also because the euro, can see another support area around here when price historically react. So I would like to see some clear price action and clear some levels. I will show you. So I want to price now if the dollar is gonna strength, stay below this one, and also for the pound as well. I just have the Amazon delivery, just quick, I'll come back in 30 seconds. Sorry about that. You can see is alive. So to back, so pound, I think so. I like the structure, which can see is making a double top here, so I want to be on the short side, but the movement of today, as I said, is already happened. So now I'm just waiting. If you drop down 4 hour, so the entrance was here under the weekly pivot, but now I would like the price breaking this point and then come back. So price have to come back at this 194 to be on the short side. Otherwise, if we can see a weakness of dollar, I can probably be on the long side as well on euro, but just if price is gonna come here and then go up. So if price stay above 110, I will be on the long side. Same view is on pound, which I also mentioned Friday. I want to be on the short side, but now is approaching the support area, which we saw last week. Buyers stepping very strong. This is very bullish price action, and I'm a little bit concerned. Maybe it can happen again and make like a double bottom and then go on the upside. So watch closely this level here, 126.90, and see the price from there. If price, of course, is gonna break nicely and retest, I will be on the short side until this level here. Moving on dollar yen, daily time frame, can see yen is quite strong today, and can see the dollar is, can arguably say this is uptrend, but price now, if it's gonna retrace this one, it doesn't break this high, could probably see that yen strength and go lower. So for me, for now, there is no clear direction, so I will move on. But if price is gonna break this 141.87, I will be on the short side on the dollar yen. Australian dollar, US dollar, daily time frame, you can see price is, we have a big range, and now again is approaching the 65 level, which previously is rejected very strongly. And now let's see, let's monitor what it's gonna do now. If of course it's gonna break, mean the price want to go lower, but if it's gonna reject, we can see probably another push higher until the middle of the range. So for me, at the moment, it's just waiting time for clear direction. Also, dollar CAD, I said I want to be a buyer, but if it was stable above 133, which it did, but it didn't have give me nice retest, and the price just shut out. So I will need some retracement to the weekly pivot to consider it to go long. Kiwi as well, price action is not that clear, and also is approaching again like Australian dollar a support level. So let's see if we see another pushback on the 62 level. So that is the view of the dollar and all the cross pair. So to recap, let's monitor the dollar. Even also tomorrow there is a big news, so can be maybe some downside on dollar now later on. And and see what the direction it will be. So moving on the indices. As I said, Friday had a few entrants on the S&P 500, but now I'm sitting on my hand to see if price. You can see there is a nice trend line, and also this support line, this 4,500, which is nice level to see if price you want to get lower, and probably you can see testing this 4,330, or we're gonna see a little bit of range and then start to get higher. So I'm just watching and see later on and this week what price is gonna do it, because you can see as well now 1 hour time frame price is start to reject again this level. So I will be interested to see if price get lower, I will be in the short side. Otherwise, if price start to develop on some cycle, I will be happy to buy at this level here at 4,540 area to go longer. Nasdaq as well is on the support level, which you can see, and on this trend line. So watch closely if price will break. It can be nice downside. You can see as well Apple is, after the ending report, it was selling off, but so let's monitor as well the Nasdaq. Same view as S&P. If price get lower, I will be in the short side, or otherwise price above 15,500, I will be on the long side and see if finally it get through on this one, 16,000. Let's monitor the other indices, what they're doing. Dow Jones as well, can see was the most bullish and now is ranging, but still above this 3,500. 3,500. So let's monitor if gonna stay above or as well on the short side. Last one, Russell. I can see price today is bearish and could probably continue at this 1,900 and then or could probably bounce and then retest this top trend line at 2,000 level. Yeah, this was all the view for this week, and if I can't see nice setup, I think so this week is I'm not gonna trade. So for last, let's touch commodities, which they are very interesting if because I want to buy gold, but it doesn't look like I want me to go on the long side. So weekly time frame, can see is still on the uptrend until it doesn't break this level. So could probably see some ranging, but as I always mention, I will be a buyer just if prices stay above on the 1,940. Otherwise, I'm not looking to on the long side. Daily time frame can see is on this trend line, which previously was rejecting here, and also with a level here as well reject. So I'm gonna monitor this one. Also, there is a monthly S1, could probably price come here and then start to reject. Silver, we saw some sell-off yesterday and today, and I'm not scared about, but I would be happy if I could buy silver a lower price, because as we mentioned last month or a few weeks ago, we want to see this price doing like this and then come back at this trend line at 22, but which it didn't, and then we saw these 2 days buying and then stay above 24. So I wouldn't mind to come here and retest this 22 and then start to be a buyer. So as I said before, just is waiting time. So for me, that's it for this week. And if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. We offer in the description, there is our package. What we offer at the moment is 1 month free trial, so you can join for free and see what we share and what we do. And also I will be do another live session also this week. I can't do Thursday, I will do on Friday. And so guys, I'll see you Friday, and hope you're gonna have a nice trading day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.